How's it going, guys? This is Pedro from Forbes Waterloo Toyota. Just wanted to show you guys our 2020 Tundra. This one is the 5.7 liter V8. It's got 381 horsepower, and it's an SX package with the Barcelona red with gray cloth interior. So just wanted to show you guys this this beautiful vehicle, just because honestly I think this SX package is a nice introduction for all of our new 2020 Tundras. As you can see, it's got some nice sport accents with the black aluminum alloys, which look really good. But you also get fog lamps, you get a blacked out grille. You also get these nice sport headlamps with the black housing, and then you get this nice kind of black metallic grille, as well as your fog lamps there that you see. You also get LED lights standard. So this SX package is more of like an introductory entry-level Tundra. It's a very good package if you want to have a little bit more of a sporty look, but you don't want to spend more. As we go inside, you can see it's got the nice cloth interior. You have built-in Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You have all your pre-collision sensors, lane assist camera right there as well. Very well designed. It's pretty much very similar to the Tundra in the past few years. So as you can see, you got these nice lifted seats, a lot of space, very comfortable. You get these nice high quality floor mats as well. It's very massive. Yeah. Got your backup camera as well. You got a nice, these nice cables here help so that the tailgate doesn't go all the way down. It's a nice mechanism. Not sure if a lot of people know about that feature. It's very simple, but it can be handy. Going on inside, you've got a very comfortable steering wheel. You got your volume controls here, Bluetooth, as well as your pre-collision sensors, lane assist, and your navigation. Like I said earlier, you have your Apple CarPlay as well as Android Auto now built in here, standard, as well as XM satellite radio. You got all your temperature controls here. You get a 2.1 milliamp charging ports here, as well as another one for your Apple CarPlay right there. You also have your heated seats here. You don't have any like high or low settings. It's just kind of a preset. You got your sport as well, and your manual option here as well, up and down. SR5 badge right here. Got some nice storage space here for your tablet or phone. Got a nice dash here. Very clean, simple. Also over here, you got most of your mirror settings, light settings as well. This is also for controlling your rear mirror. Sorry, window. Got Kyle over here. What's going on, Kyle? Yeah, so as you can see, this is a nice package. If you're in the market, obviously looking for something like a entry-level Tundra, but you want something sporty, but you don't want to break the bank, definitely recommend the SX package. It's got mostly everything you need. You got your nice tinted windows here, and you get the nice 5.7 liter V8. But yeah, this is it, guys. In terms of fuel economy, you get combined 16 liters per 100 kilometers. But as you can see, this is a very, very beautiful truck. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me here at Forbes Waterloo Toyota. We'd be more than happy to help you get into a new vehicle like this. Yeah, we'll be posting more videos consistently. So if you guys want to see another review of a different vehicle, feel free to comment it below. But that is all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. We post every single week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And yeah, look forward to hearing from you guys, and thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.